In order to get the right answer, you must first ask the right question. Every organization sits on top of tremendous amount of data. Volume, velocity, complexity, there's so many trees you cannot see the forest. Unfortunately, the human brain is limited to low dimensionality, and we're always going back to our cognitive bias that's going to limit us. So we say, what if we can build an ideation machine, an hypothesis generating engine? The ability to digest tremendous amount of data very quickly creates millions and tens of millions of ideations, of hypotheses.
Then we went further and extended the ability of the machine to augment the data with external data sources, basically mapping out the entire spectrum of dynamics that happen on Earth and allowing the machine to connect the dots between every data set that exists.
We have a client in the shipping industry that's trying to predict when a vessel is going to be delayed to the port. If there's a strike in the port of Auckland, it's not on the client data, but it's in the news. We created the AI disruption engine that allows you to take any type of data that you have, start to generate tens of millions of hypotheses, augment it with external data. The engine writes its own code, which can be hypotheses, feature, discoveries, predictive models, or prescriptive optimized models. What we were able to do is to connect AI to impact, which could be business impact or social impact. The leading researcher of colon cancer of a Nordic country brought us a complete data set of the colon cancer patients in that country for the last 30 years. We removed the personal information, but then ran it on a machine. Within minutes, we were able to identify some strong features that it took 7 months for 6 PhDs to find before. After 43 minutes, we were able to generate a report that really simulated a 2-year research.
Classic prognostic models are limited because they only allow us to see who is at risk. Such a platform could allow us to explore a much broader scope of medical domains in a shorter amount of times and to reach meaningful outcomes, meaningful insights that can be turned into meaningful interventions.
It's becoming a problem-solving platform. It's a machine that not only discovers patterns, but actually gradually gains the ability to come up with ideas for how to address certain challenges and problems in a general purpose domain.
SparkBeyond is, of course, a for-profit organization, but at the same time, we believe we have a bigger mission and responsibility to use the incredible technology we develop to do well while doing good.